pieces. But there were 3 art pieces, but mbo art piece yalimu blind. Buno blind webbed. She got it and took it at her home. She was so happy. She opened presents. So she took it at her house. Now take up. You know how they put art pieces on the head of the bed, like up on the head of the bed. That's what she did. She put them there, and they were really cute. Like they looked beautiful. Now yeah.
Emboozi ezimu ze mbaleetera wano eno ku SMX Media zibeera za entertainment naye ate wenfunayo story ng'erimu okulabula omuntu obutagwa mu nsobi y'emu ng'omulala gye yagwamu nayo ngikuleetera wano eno ku SMX Media nkuleetedde omuwala ono akunnyonnyola ku bifaananyi bye tugula ne tutimba mu nju ne tutimba mu bisenge byaffe nga bwe biyinza okukuleetera emireereetu oba ebizibu. Bino ebifaananyi ebimu tubigulako street naddala ebisinga nga siggwe eyabyekubisizza ebimu tirabeera bimuli obumu bukazi bwetisse eki ebifaananyi eby'ebika ebyenjawulo ebyo bye tutimba mu mayumba gaffe ne gasobola okubeera nga galabika obulungi ebyo bye mutimba mu ziwooteri zisobole okubeera nga zirabika obulungi. Mwana wattu Sitani lyandibeera nga lyekkubo mwayitiramu okubeera nga akutigomya kanka kuzannyira akatambi kano okuva gye katandikira paka gye kaggwera osobole okubeera nga okeerabirako naye nga sinabeera nga nkakuterako kankusaba mbi osubscribinga no ku SMX Media tujja kubeera nga misinga updates naddala.
You guys need to be mindful of the things you put in your houses. Manya beautifying spaces, those art pieces, manya wall hangings. You need to be so careful. So yesterday I met a client. Actually, I'm going to use both languages. I met a client who somewhere we had gone to talk about business. It was basically business coaching, me and the client. This client came in with a friend. And for some reason, I don't know how we got to the point where we had to talk about art pieces and wall hangings. This friend went like, these things that not every wall hanging is worth being put in your business or in your home. I'm like, okay. She's like, Muna, those things be having different meanings that some of us don't know. I didn't take this for... I didn't take it serious because here we get there and I'm like, okay. So we, touch yoga decor for a short time and then we left it there. So when I went back home, I called my friend and just them about how my meeting went, Then that's why I told her, no money, whatever did to yoga any client. Yangambye this and this and that. Yangambye nti ebya art pieces bichi. Nangamba, girl, stop it. What are you talking about? You guys, if you think you're going through a lot, people out there are going through a lot and through things that they don't even know how to solve, how they came about, like they know nothing. My friend goes like, you girl, those art piece things, me, I don't like them. I'm like, yeah, bitchy. So I'm like, but me, I love art, blah, blah, blah. She's like, be mindful too. Because me, I have gone through some things in life because of art pieces. Namgamba, no, you're lying. Please, you're lying. Nangamba, you girl, let me tell you something. I have never told you in about my life. My life changed so much because of art pieces. Now you're starting to scare me. I have art pieces all over in my house. Simani, what are you trying to say? Sorry, she was like, let me judge you. I'm like, what? Mbo, she was turning 19 years, so she started staying alone at a very young age. Kati, she was like, Mbo, it was her birthday and they celebrated her, they made her a party, bichi. And people know her for loving beautiful things. Kati, one of the people in the congregation, her friends, bought her art pieces. But there were 3 art pieces, but they were, I don't know, I think according to what she was explaining, it came out like I have seen that art piece somewhere. Not even once. Because yanga mbiombo, the art piece, that is, art piece, yalimu blind. Buno blind, webbed. But yalimu blind. I don't know if you've seen those art pieces. Watch it again. Nebajumua nga eri 3 pieces. So she got it and took it at her home. She was so happy. She opened presents. So she took it at her house. Take up. You know how they put art pieces on the head of the bed, like up on the head of the bed. That's what she did. She put them there, and they were really cute. Like, they looked beautiful. Now, yeah, when she put them there, she didn't know, because in her head she didn't have any idea about what it was. And trust me, like how you can get something knowing nothing about it. She take it. So yeah, we take her innocently. And she, like, kept on living her life. So one night, like in a week's time after she had put them up there, she saw the lines moving. You get? Now I'm gonna be, you girl, you're scaring me. It's starting to scare me. But she told me she saw the lines moving from the frame. Like this. But she didn't take it serious. Like, she didn't, I don't know what to, like, she saw it, but she denied it. She didn't want to believe that she has seen something. Because remember, Amasanya Zetegaliko, and she was maybe thinking she's just imagining things because she's scared of the dark and all that, Munange nga asigala waberawo in the dark. But she had seen them, although she didn't mind it that much. She was there, she lived her life. Kati, she was okay, I don't want to say she's a prayerful person, but she's someone that knows God, Okay, she prays sometimes, but not intercessing and, but she's a prayerful girl. She knows God, Munae, one night, she prayed. But for me, okay, she told me, Mbo, from that time, things started changing in Pola. People started picking on her at her workplace.